What are we gonna do?
Told you. We're gonna hang out. Gonna watch a movie.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 business using my lead gen secrets and ChatGPT. Alright guys, of Home Business Academy. So the reason that we're promoting this product and Home Business Academy in general is because of their affiliate program, which is 80% recurring income. You get paid every single month, guys. You get paid every single month. It's absolutely fantastic. Alright guys. So today we're just gonna look at our results here, but before that guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell. We'll get started. Alright, so we're gonna look at our results. Looks like we didn't get a sale today, which is totally fine and not a big deal since I just started back up promoting this product. Not too worried about it for the first few days. So we're just gonna refresh the page here just to make sure. Okay, it looks like we indeed did not get a sale yesterday. It's totally fine, like I stated before. Now, what we're gonna do, guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to make this happen, how to make money come in. We kind of testing stuff this time instead of like trying to be the most efficient possible. We're kind of testing stuff around just to see how it works and so on and so forth. So that's what we're gonna do today as well. So we're not gonna use the link that I usually use. We gotta get you your links, by the way. That's what we're gonna do. But this is the link that I usually use. But we're gonna try something a little different today. All right. So this is what we're gonna do. First, we need to get you your links, guys. Now, get your links. You go to the description of my video there. It's gonna take you to this page here. All right. Gonna take you to this page here. This just gonna talk about what the $25 business and all that is. Essentially, it's a funnel builder, right? For $25 a month, it's a pretty good funnel builder. It's kind of worth. You save a ton of money using it. So it's a really good product if you're worried about that. It's not one of those MML, whatever they call, where you just pay for nothing, you know. But yeah, you can get $20 and $100 monthly commission. That means you can make $120 off of each person per month, guys. There's also a third product that you, if they buy in the first 3 days, make $400 off of. If they buy later on down the road, you get $800 out of it. All right, guys. So I just want to make sure you got that product as well. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna go click on yes, I want to try this out. Right? You just put in your basic information, blah blah blah, whatever, right? To get the product. So one thing I want to stress. Use my link. You get HBA Premium for free for 2 weeks, 14 days. All right. So what is HBA Premium? That's just gonna be training on how to promote these products on different sites or different ways, like blogging, solo ads, articles, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, whatever, right? And it's just gonna constantly show you the most effective method that we have found that works for us. And it's constantly updated and changed because it's one of those things where rules change and like a method stops working, stuff like that. So it's constantly updated. That's why you want to have it. And there's also an AI content creation machine that helps you come up with articles and so on and so forth, right? So you get that for free for 14 days. You try that out. And the best part about it, you get a sale with this product. You keep that money even though you don't technically own the product. So that's fantastic, right? So now you got that product. You climb in, you get your links, you at your link page, right? You eventually get to this page here where all your links are at. All right, guys. So now we need a way to promote this product, right? And that's where my lead gen secrets come in. So you just go down to my description, you click on my second link, it's gonna take it to the page here, which is my lead gen secrets. What is my lead gen secrets? It's what it does is that you can email people every single day your leads that you'll get 100 of every day. All right, so basically every day you'll start adding up leads that are interested in making money, adding them up. So what I want to do here is that we're gonna go to a mailing system, and then you see how you collect leads every day. See? So you got that going on. So what we want to do, guys, we're gonna promote. We're not gonna use an email that's already in there, since we're trying something different here, something that might be less effective. We're gonna have to come up with a new email for it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to a link that we're gonna use here. Now let's see. Try the immersion promo. I'm gonna click on this immersion promo. We're gonna just click on it, see what it's talking about. And what we can do is cover how you can. So this is what we're gonna do. We're just gonna take all of this here, right? We're gonna take this information here. Oh, listen. Last part. So we're gonna take this information. We go to ChatGPT. Now what we're gonna do, ChatGPT, I'm gonna ask them, can you create a short clickbait email information? Okay. That's the information it's gonna use. Make the gonna pick something like create a short clickbait email with a call to action based on this information. So what we want to do, take the information we got here, I messed up, my bad. Okay, the reason I say no emoji because the systems that we use don't use emojis, right? Now we right clickbait, no emoji, call to action based on this. One more thing. Exaggerate how much that right there. Back to this page, we copied it, right? But we want ChatGPT to write us a solid email. So what we're gonna boom. Now it should be a All right, we got some things to pick it. Copy it. Something like that. Basically, pick this. I want a really short email for a couple of reasons. Wow. So we're gonna just get that out. That too. I'm gonna just blah blah blah. Up to the AI profits. Time is ticking. I'm gonna take copy. Take this. That. As you can paste it in. That's our email right there. Very short email, just telling you, hey, check this out. Those work way better than other emails. So that's the type of email I work. So we're gonna hit perfect timing and we're gonna just look at the preview here. You want to copy the email, you can. Really short emails work way better, guys. That's one thing I've learned. Sure. All right, so that's all there is to it, guys. We're just gonna click on send an email. The reason why we hit preview is to just make sure the link works. Link does work. Gonna send an email, boom, and we're done, guys. That's all it takes. Now that's how we're gonna promote this product. We're gonna see how it performs. Now, like I always state in every video, the most effective way to promote this product is to use shorts on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Those are the best ways to do it. And just make sure to post every day on each one. At least every day. Some people post 3 or 4 times a day, but once a day is fine. So anyway, guys, that's all it takes. Just do that. You'll make a lot of money with this product. All right, guys. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.